How to record shows on YouTube TV. Now, the very first thing that you will do is, of course, pull up your YouTube TV software or application, or maybe through their official website, which is going to be the tv.youtube.com. Now, once you're here, you cannot record or download any movies or shows from YouTube TV if you did not subscribe to any of their subscription plans or features. Now, recording a movies or shows in YouTube TV is very simple. You also do not need a fancy softwares that needs to be downloading for you to record it while watching the TV show. All you just have to do is just to click on that specific movies that you want to be recorded, and by just simply adding those shows or movies from one of the folders in your library. So again, for you to be able to record shows on YouTube TV, just simply add that video to your library and it will automatically be recorded. You can watch it anytime you want, or you can watch it and re-watch it again. So that's it. That's how you record shows on YouTube TV.